On March 24, 2024, the Erindale Academy, in collaboration with the University of Guelph, organized campus tours aimed at providing students with an immersive experience of the university campus. Not only did students from Erindale Academy and Toronto Central Academy participate, but there was also a significant turnout from high schools across the area, with nearly 40 attendees in total. Led by current U of G students, the guided tours began from the Mitchell Gym, where information booths showcased all undergraduate programs available at the university. This provided students with the opportunity to engage directly with current students enrolled in these programs, gaining insights into admission requirements and potential career paths post-graduation. Enthusiastic professors teaching in these fields also participated, sharing their expertise with prospective students. In addition to the campus tours, residence drop-in tours were offered, allowing attendees to explore various room and building options within the university residences. Students had the chance to visit the campus canteen, experience lunch as university students do, and tour the residence halls to understand student life at Guelph firsthand. Furthermore, they had the opportunity to explore the university's sports complex, witnessing the vibrant sporting activities of Guelph students. Moreover, a resource fair was held at the event center, where attendees could have their questions addressed. Professors and students from diverse programs and student services were available to provide information and insights into academic offerings, campus life, and support services at the University of Guelph. This fair served as a valuable platform for prospective students to gain a comprehensive understanding of the university beyond its academic programs. The trip was undoubtedly a resounding success, as participating students gained valuable insights into the university and its offerings. The warm reception from the University of Guelph student body, faculty, and staff greatly enhanced the experience for all attendees.